see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean with a bad hoe.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. My name is Adrian. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at, I think, close to 400 subscribers. So yeah, thank you guys for that. And so anyway, for today's video, I'm going to be heading over to my homie Ruben's house, and we're going to be installing my Euro tail lights because they just came in. I'm really excited to throw those on. At first, I was kind of hesitant to order them because my car's white and the tail lights are clear. I thought it might look kind of rise, but I saw a couple pictures on Instagram and they actually look pretty sick. So yeah, I just was like, whatever, I'm gonna order them, and they just came in. So shout out to Carbon Bargain on Instagram. That's who I picked them up from. Yeah, I'm gonna be going over to Ruben's house. We're gonna install them on the car, and I'll show you guys the process on how to do that. The only kind of difficult part, I guess, is I think it has a third brake light like wire thing that you got to install. So yeah, he's gonna help me out with that part. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Head over to his house, install them, and I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the homie Ruben's house. He got the Euros too. Check it out. Looks so clean with the carbon up here too. I think about to ask. He's gonna wrap it, I think. This is gonna be sick. New wheels too. Clean. Yeah, I got him in here. The Euros. Look at that. It looks so clean. And then this is the extra wiring stuff to run up to the third brake light. Came with a little instruction manual as well, but it's in fucking Chinese. So so you remove these. It's got like two of them right here, and then that just pulls right out. This comes out. And this panel right here. Carpet. It has one of these, yeah. Flathead. You just do this. It's easier. Just pull it out. It's like a magnet. And then it's just these three bolts right there. See that? There's one back there. These? Oh, right here? Yeah. That one, and then these two right here. And then we just disconnect this. And you gotta put your back seats down. Just right here. Something on this side. Yeah, because the wire's gonna be tucked in through here, up here, to that brake light. These are the stock tail lights, the Euros. Gosh, these are out. That was pretty fast. Yeah, just leave it like that, huh? No head, no tail lights. Clean look. That's right. There was a top part here. A little cover, this one, you just pop that off and then put it onto the new ones. It just clips right on. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so sick. Put everything back up, these bolts right here, and then you have this little wire and that one there that will just use these to run it behind the carpet up there through the filler to the third brake light. But dude, this looks so sick. I'm so pumped. Alright Alright guys, this is what the tail lights look like. They look so sick. I'm so pumped. Huge shout out to the homie Ruben right here. He helped me put them on. Check out his YouTube channel too. I'll put a link right here to, or what's it called? I'll put his app for the YouTube so you guys can check it out. He makes videos on his Mustang as well. You got the Euros on there. So clean.
Everything president tense. I'm on ocean with a bad hoe. Top down, she got fluid out on the backseat with a stendo. Smoking endo, my jewels out.